Have you ever wondered why some YouTube channels are more successful than others? Well, the secret often lies in the niche. Now, what do we mean by niche? It's a specific topic or field that you're not only passionate about, but also have a wealth of knowledge in. It's a focus that sets you apart from the rest of the crowd. Think about it like this. Imagine YouTube as a huge library. Now, if you're in this library looking for a book on, say, vegan baking, wouldn't you head straight to the vegan baking section rather than rummaging through the entire library? That's exactly how a well-defined niche works. It helps you stand out and attract a targeted audience, those who are genuinely interested in your content. The more specific and unique your niche, the easier it becomes for your content to be discovered by the right people. So, finding your niche is the first step towards building a successful YouTube channel. How many times have you clicked away from a video because the audio was poor or the visuals were blurry? Too many to count, right? That's why quality is paramount when creating content for YouTube. It's not just about the message you're delivering, it's also about how you're delivering it. Clear audio and sharp visuals can significantly enhance your viewers' experience. They make your content more engaging, more professional, and more likely to keep viewers watching till the end. Consider investing in good quality recording and editing equipment. It doesn't have to break the bank, but remember, you get what you pay for. A decent microphone can dramatically improve your audio, while a good camera can make your visuals crisp and engaging. Post-production is equally important. A little time spent on editing can transform your raw footage into a polished masterpiece. Remember, quality matters. It can set your videos apart in the crowded YouTube landscape. Do you subscribe to channels that post new content sporadically, or those with a regular upload schedule? Now think about your own viewing habits. You probably lean towards channels that deliver fresh content predictably and consistently, right? There's a reason for that. Establishing a regular upload schedule is fundamental to your success as a YouTuber. This is because consistency builds trust. It shows your viewers that you're committed, that you're reliable, and that you value their time. But it's not just about building trust. A consistent upload schedule also keeps your audience engaged. It creates anticipation, something for your viewers to look forward to. Whether you choose to upload weekly or bi-weekly, what matters is that you stick to your schedule. Just imagine being a TV show fan. You'd want to know exactly when the next episode airs, wouldn't you? The same principle applies to YouTube. Consistency is key. It gives your audience something to look forward to and helps to build a loyal viewer base. Why do you think interaction matters on YouTube? Well, let's delve into that. The importance of audience engagement cannot be overstated. It's not just about acknowledging the existence of your viewers, it's about making them feel seen and heard. By responding to comments, you're showing that you value their input and appreciate their participation. But interaction doesn't stop there. Asking for feedback is a powerful tool. It not only gives you a better understanding of what your audience wants, it also makes them feel involved in your creative process. Now, encouraging viewers to subscribe may seem like a small thing, but it's a significant step towards building a community. It's an invitation for them to join you on your YouTube journey. And that's the crux of it all. Building a community around your channel is crucial for long-term success. It's about fostering a sense of belonging, a sense of togetherness. Engagement isn't just about responding to comments, it's about building a community around your content. What draws you to click on a YouTube video? More often than not, it's an intriguing title or an eye-catching thumbnail. These two elements work as the gatekeepers of your content, playing a critical role in grabbing the attention of potential viewers amid the sea of videos on YouTube. A compelling title is your first opportunity to pique the viewer's interest. It should be concise, relevant, and intriguing, giving a clear indication of what the video is about while also sparking curiosity. Thumbnails, on the other hand, are visual appetizers. They should be vibrant, clear, and representative of the content. A good thumbnail complements the title, creating a powerful duo that can effectively lure viewers in, but that's not all. Optimizing your titles and thumbnails also improves the discoverability of your content through search and recommendations, helping your videos reach a wider audience. Your video's title and thumbnail are its billboard. Make them compelling. Scene script. Are you leveraging the power of social media to grow your YouTube channel? If your answer is no, then you're missing out on a massive opportunity to reach a wider audience. Let's dive into the world of social media and see how it can be a game changer for your YouTube channel. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook aren't just for sharing your lunch or vacation photos anymore. They're buzzing hubs where people discover new content, including YouTube videos. So, sharing your videos on these platforms can help you reach out to people who might not have found you on YouTube alone. Imagine this. You share a sneak peek of your upcoming video on Instagram, a captivating quote from your video on Twitter, and a behind-the-scenes photo on Facebook. You've just given your followers on these platforms 3 unique reasons to head over to your YouTube channel and check out your new video. This cross-platform promotion not only increases the visibility of your content, but also drives traffic to your YouTube channel. But it's not just about sharing your videos. Building a presence on social media is key. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments, share user-generated content, and participate in relevant conversations. This not only helps to foster a sense of community around your content, but also makes your followers feel valued and heard. And when people feel a personal connection, they're more likely to support your YouTube channel. Also, don't forget about the power of hashtags. They can help boost the discoverability of your content on social media platforms. Use relevant and trending hashtags to reach a wider audience and attract more people to your YouTube channel. Remember, each social media platform has its own unique features and audience. So tailor your content to suit the platform and its audience. What works on Instagram might not work on Twitter and vice versa. Experiment, learn, and adapt your social media strategy for the best results. Social media isn't just for sharing memes. It can be a powerful tool to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. So, start utilizing social media today and watch your YouTube channel grow. How adaptable are you as a content creator? This question is not to test you, but it's a gentle nudge to self-reflect. The world of YouTube is dynamic, always changing, always evolving, and as creators we must mirror that dynamism. Let's take a stroll into the sphere of trends. Trends are like waves, they rise and they fall. As a content creator, it's your job to ride these waves. Staying informed about YouTube trends is not just about being in the know, it's about understanding the pulse of the platform and the preferences of the viewers. It's about knowing what's in, what's out, and what's about to break through. Then there's the algorithm, the elusive, ever-changing YouTube algorithm. It may seem like a mysterious beast, but it's more like a compass. It points towards what works and what doesn't. It's crucial to keep an eye on algorithm changes, to understand how they influence content visibility, and to adapt your strategy to ensure your videos find their way to your audience. Speaking of audience, their preferences are your guiding star. They are the reason you create. Their likes, dislikes, comments, and shares are invaluable feedback. Recognize their voice, understand their tastes, and tailor your content to resonate with them. Adaptability is not just about change, it's about growth. It's about learning from the past, understanding the present, and preparing for the future. It's about being open to new ideas, new methods, and new perspectives. It's about being willing to step out of your comfort zone and take risks. And remember, the key to adaptability is flexibility. You have to be flexible enough to bend, but strong enough not to break. You have to be willing to let go of what's not working and embrace what is. It's a delicate balance, but it's a balance that's worth pursuing. Remember, success on YouTube often takes time, so be patient, keep learning, and stay committed to your audience. Staying committed to your audience means being committed to growth, to change, and to adaptability. It means being committed to the journey as much as the destination.